Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to make your text animate on the Reels video. So if you've entered in a text on your Reels video and you want to learn how to animate it, then let me show you how to do this. So here we have Instagram open. We'll tap on the plus sign to post a reel, tap reel, go ahead and find a reel. Say for example, this one here, tap next. Then we'll go ahead and tap on next again, and then tap on edit video to enter in the timeline mode. Here we'll go ahead and tap on text, and we'll go ahead and type in our text. So after you've written your text, with the animation, you have two options. You can go ahead and select how this text will pop up on screen. So you can show it as a tripartite mode, you can show it as a pop-up or a jump mode. And the second one is to show animation on the text itself. So you can have the sparkle effect, neon effect, the shimmer effect, or the pixel effect. So these are all the animations you can apply to your text on your Reels timeline on Instagram. Once you're happy, tap done, and now tap done again. And now that animation has been applied on your Reels timeline. So there you go, guys. That is how to apply animation to your text on your Reels timeline on Instagram. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.